Hey everybody and welcome. My name is Dan and this is my chop shop. It's been a while since I've done a 4-horseman build. Can't say why other than just hooked up doing other things. But monthly build for December for the 4-horseman, shop track. We can do that. We can do that. Well, it's pretty straightforward. Metal base and everything else is plastic. This is already drilled and tapped. 256 screws already in place. That can go in the bucket of the stripper. Most of that chrome is going to go away, and I got some Samad wheels to replace the stalkers. This should be a pretty easy, straightforward build, but you know how it goes. And while the body's in the stripper, we'll go ahead and start our wheel swap. I mean, with these Samad tires, it's almost that easy. I'm going to have to shorten these axles though, but you get the idea. I've only been airbrushing for about 11 months, I guess. I got this little air compressor and that airbrush for Christmas last year. I had a talk with Santa, aka the wife, and told her what airbrush I'd like. And I went ahead and purchased a new air compressor. It's got the storage tank. Oh, it is sweet compared to that little girl. But it did the job, and we are going to continue on with just a little bit better equipment. Hopefully that's a good thing, right? Well, it's out of its bath, and I gave it just a quick Scotch Brighting, and it's got some gator skin I want to sand away, but all in all, not too bad. But prep is the key to a good paint job, so let's get it going. Well, as you can see, I did wheel swap. Got the Samads. They're black on black. Stance from the factory is outstanding. It's low. Just a little bit of stink bug rake going on, but that's fine. Now we're going to address that sunroof. We're going to fill that in using the Jim Silva method. And by the Jim Silva method, I mean to tape it from the outside and fill it with the Silva solder. And work it in there, get all the air bubbles worked out, and then basically it's going to set overnight. Well, let's see how we did. Not too bad. I have to put a little bit of filler in. Not too bad at all. Got the body work all done. It's looking really good. I mean, really good. It's all washed and degreased, and I just got to make up my mind exactly what I want to do for paint. Typically, I don't really use primer that much. I usually just lay down a base coat. But when I do body work, such as that roof panel and stuff, I like just that little extra fill from what the primer gives you compared to a base coat. So we'll lay it down and continue from there. I'm not going to get crazy, I'm just going to get coverage here. Listen to that new air compressor, oh boy. This is Stynel Res primer. I do reduce it down just a little bit because I'm using a small nozzle, but it is working tremendously. It's not too thick, especially when I reduce it down. And that's that. And that roof panel looks pretty tight. Continue on. And now a silver base coat over the primer. Wow, is this air compressor making a difference on this paint volume coming out of the gun? Wow. I never knew. I always figured it was just the paint nozzle hindering me, but man, I better stop that. That is coat 1. That is just that fast. Nice. Oh, nurse. So what that was a cosmic sparkle and some balancing clear and a little bit of thinner, and we're gonna just give her some life here. Wow, I didn't put any color to tint this because, well, it's silver flake and I'm already got a silver base coat, so I really didn't see the point. We'll get the blingy. Yeah, that's one coat. We'll give her about a couple, 3. Now we're just going to lay a little green over the top part, and you can see I got it taped all the way around, and we'll give her some color. That's looking pretty. We'll call that a coat. Don't want to get too much too fast. Then we'll clean up the brush and then we'll take the tape off. Nice. And there we have it. My entry to the 4 Horsemen December build. Shop truck. Got the decals, the little Midnight Auto, my logo. And that paint is a glitter bomb. It's not showing up real well. You can see a little bit of it. But man, take it outside and you better have some shades on. Thanks for hosting the event. I had a blast building this, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Go ahead and please subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you down the road.